This is video number 1. Good morning, children. Welcome to chemistry class. This is chapter number 6, chemical reactions. There are some objectives. First one, chemical reactions. Second one, characteristics of chemical reaction. Third one, types of chemical reaction. Fourth one, reactivity series. Fifth one, formation of oxides. Okay, let's start. Chemical reactions. A change that takes place when elements or compound reacts with each other under different conditions to form new product is known as chemical reaction. A chemical reaction involves the formation of a new substance. In other words, a chemical reaction is the process in which one or more substances are converted into one or more different substances. In chemical reaction, the substances that take part are called reactants. The substances that are formed as a result of a chemical reaction are called products. In a chemical reaction, reactants are transformed into products. The product thus formed have properties which are entirely different from those of reactants. For example, when a magnesium ribbon is heated, it burns in and with a dazzling white flame to form a white powder called magnesium oxide. The written equation is magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. The burning of magnesium in air to form magnesium oxide is an example of chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, there are two reactants, magnesium and oxide, but only one product, magnesium oxide. The property of the product magnesium oxide are entirely different from those of reactants magnesium and oxygen. Characteristics of chemical reaction. A chemical reaction has following characteristics: breaking chemical bonds. Chemical reaction involves breaking existing chemical bonds in reactant and the formation of new bonds in product. For example, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water, that means H2O. In the above reaction, the bond in the hydrogen and oxygen molecules are broken and the bonds between the oxygen and hydrogen atom are formed to make molecule of water. Second one, evolution of gas. In some reactions, a gas is evolved and can be seen in the form of bubbles called effervescence. For example, when metals like zinc, sodium, potassium or magnesium react with acids, hydrogen gas is involved in the form of effervescence. The gas evolved is indicated with upward arrow. In the chemical reaction, ZnS plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Zinc plus hydrogen sulfate, sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Third one, change in color. Some chemical reactions can be detected by a change in color. For example, when copper carbonate green is heated, copper oxide black is formed, along with evolution of carbon dioxide gas. CaCO3 gives CuO plus CO2. Fourth one, formation of precipitate. Some chemical reactions are characterized by formation of precipitate. For example, when potassium iodide solution is added to a solution of lead nitrate, then a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. While writing a chemical equation, the formation of precipitate is shown by downward arrow. PbNO3 whole twice 2 plus 2Kl gives PbI2 plus 2KNO3.